Welcome to South Korea and Seoul. We are at the Myeongdong food market, I think. Street food, night market. We're gonna eat. I don't know what we're gonna eat. There's all crazy kind of stuff here. It's like this, egg bread. Looks kind of delicious though, but that's not what we're having. The only thing is, I'm not sure yet if these guys accept credit card. I think we need cash. So it might be that we're just gonna roam around, find whatever we want, and then we withdraw money. Like I would love scallops. That would be fucking nice. Obviously a skewer of chicken.
One.
That sounds fucking amazing. Let's see. Do you know if they accept card or is it only cash?
Probably only cash.
Card okay. Card okay, yeah? Nice. Hey, then I'm gonna have some skewers. Spicy bomb, that sounds like a bomb. 6,000, that's like 4 euros. Touristy, but okay, here we go. Can I have a spicy bomb flavored?
One.
Yeah, one.
600.
Can you
Card okay.
card? I want to pay first, so we know that you get money. You sound.
Okay.
Oh, I actually had a machine. God, I don't know my code on this one. Fuck. Don't ask me for code. Don't ask me for code. I don't know my code. Actually, I haven't been using this. Oh, come on. You just swipe that like anything, nothing. Okay, here we go. Don't know what that cost, but so spicy bomb seems like it's spicy, yeah?
Yeah, spicy.
Very spicy. Good. Yes. Start off with a bomb. Oh, drop my thing. We have litter here. We got the spice bomb. Let's see. Let's try. No. It's just so spicy.
Yeah.
Wow. I can't talk. Fuck, that was spicy. But it's perfectly grilled. When you see how big this skewer is, 4 euros, 5 maybe. Not that bad. We oh, maybe this one. Oh God. Maybe seared scallop is gonna be good after this. No, I'm fine. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you very much. Oh, how nice. Offer water. So this is one of like the two very famous night markets. This one is obviously a bit more pricey, a bit more touristy because there's shopping as well. And there's not that much locals. Like people going here are tourists. Even if they are Korean or whatever, they are tourists. They're not from Seoul because the Seoul one goes to that one, which is more like, I would think, a wet market where they sell weird stuff. So we might go there as well. Not tonight though, but tonight it's just gonna be, because my stomach is not that bad. It's not that good because I had some chicken feet soup yesterday. And my stomach today told me that, don't eat that again, please. So here we are today. Oh God, this is so strong. So spicy, but it's good. Okay, we need something to drink after that. My mouth is burning. Do we have that? Probably do. Things are closing down though. I don't like that. I came too late. It's around 9:30. So we'll see. Ice cream. Orange juice? Fuck yeah. I'm having an orange juice. This to my mouth. That looks pretty good actually. Oh God. Or can we wait? Is there anything else? God. Ooh, 6,000. Okay, sorry now. It's like 5 euros for a juice. I'm not having that. Pomegranate juice. Okay, that's even better. 8,000. Okay. Someone can do something really bad with me if I buy that. Egg bread? No. What is this? Oh, here's the chicken feet again. Ugh, I'm about to puke. These guys are just hanging this in like it's nothing. Not having that. If you ever try chicken feet, tell me what you think about it. Because for me, just thinking about it now, that I actually had it yesterday, garlic bread. That sounds kind of nice though. I'm gonna have one, yeah. You take card? Only cash? Oh, okay, I'm not having that then. Baked cheese. Sounds also good. Do you take card? Cash? Did not come prepared, I guess. Oh, where's the bank? We need a bank. Quick. God, okay. Ooh, what are you messing around with here? Huh. Scallops again. I don't know. Like one part of me wants to try something stupid, another one just wants fucking mozzarella cheese. Like, but again, I've heard corn dogs here are supposed to be pretty good. There was someone told me that corn dogs is good here. But it's boring. I can have that somewhere else. But again, I can have everything of this somewhere else. What is this? Fish. Hello? Do you take card? Okay. Next on the fucking agenda is an ATM. Quick. Just asked a nice man, like, where's the closest ATM? He's like, can you fucking use your eyes? It's there. That's Chinan Bank. Like, it's literally here. Do yourself a favor, and look before you ask. But where's the ATM? Can't really find it, can I? Like, bank doesn't matter if it's not an actual machine somewhere. Hello, Worry Bank, Chinan Bank. Here we go. Money. You got money. Money. Vamos. Now, let's eat. Okay, don't do what I did. Don't put money in your mouth that you don't know where they've been. But here we go. What are we having now? Yeah, I got money, so now I can buy what the fuck I want. I want that garlic bread though. I also want the pomegranate juice. I want everything. Oh, beef skewers. Oh, basically you just had that though. But it looks good. What is that? Sausage? Nope. Now the guy that was selling garlic bread over here, he was the one that was telling me about the ATM. So I'm gonna pay him the favor forward and buy garlic bread with him. I know about garlic bread is boring to buy. I should buy some fucking chicken feet. I know what you want to see, but I can't do that. Can't do that today. I'm not there. Here we are. Here's the man with the garlic bread. Yes. Hello, sir. Hello. Garlic bread, yeah?
What?
What's the difference here? Cheese?
Bagel garlic.
Bagel garlic. And this is... What's your favorite? Same, huh? I'll take this, yeah. 10,000. That's like €2.50 for this. Thank you, sir. I mean, I'm not gonna make out with anyone today anyway, so... Oh, let's put it in the microwave. Here we go. Yep. What is this? Cheese kimchi roll pork belly. Wow, that sounds good. That sounds good though. Kimchi. That's what we should have had. Kimchi. But hey, now we have a garlic bread instead. Thank you, sir. Wow, look at this. Can't go wrong with a garlic bread. The only thing I have to say though, it's in Asia. They do popcorn with sweets that are sweet. This is garlic, but it's sweet as well, which is just not my thing. But okay. It's crispy. It's tangerine because it's so much garlic. Oh, I can't make out with anyone in fucking weeks after this one. But it's something there is sweet. Must be the custard in the middle. Don't need that. The rest was good. What are we having now? What can we find now? Butter grilled corn. Oh yeah. Now we're talking. A little bit of that. Salt. Here we go. And we were supposed to have scallops, no? God, scallops is probably next. And also something that is very popular here, obviously in Korea, because Koreans probably got the best skin in the world. There's a lot of these, you see these skincare stores, like they sell whatever. I do not anything about that, but they are everywhere. Like literally all the stores around here sell skincare products, which is probably the best in the world. And probably gonna make my skin shine. I should go in and just say fix my face, but again, we're here to fill my stomach, not fill my face. So what can we find now? What is this store though? Butter shop. Oh, it's cats. Okay, no, we're not gonna have cats. Sushiro, that's sushi probably. Lucky store. Lucky Charm. Drink, music, rooftop bar. No. Or I mean, I could do a beer though, but we're not doing that. Let's find. Look how much people there is. And there's men and there's women. Why don't I know more about this than I do? Like, do you think they would fucking help if I go in and say, help me? They would probably see, you look lost, let me help you. But first, I want that corn though. I do want that corn. Because I'm starting to get full. And scallops, seafood is not my thing. So, might find a really buttery, salty corn instead. And then we had 3 things. Not a drink yet, so need to find a drink somehow. Deep fried shrimp. Again, seafood. Can't eat that. Egg bread. It intrigues me somehow, even though I don't like egg. Hello. Butter, yeah.
Butter record. What?
1, yeah. And is that salt?
Yeah, salt.
Yeah, salt and chili, whatever you have. Yeah, nice. How much is one?
Butter corn 5,000.
Ooh. You expensive man.
Thank you.
Thank you. So 5 times 7 is fucking, what is that? 35. 3.5 euros. Does that, am I correct? Am I counting right? Doesn't matter, we bought it. It's too late now. I think it is. This looks good though as well. Big pears. Hello. Nah, just recording. It's a cool area. Let's go up here later and see whatever we have to get. Nice theater. I want him to kill my corn with butter now. And salt and chili. Obviously we don't need more chili in our mouth, but I'm a chili boy. A little chili boy. Okay, this might be something now, the best things in the world. Yes. Corn, salt, and shitloads of butter. A little bit of garlic on this one as well. Here we are now. Look how much people there is though. And it's like a Monday night. And they're closing down. Crazy. Egg bread again. Expensive here though. Chicken feet? No. Getting away from that because I might throw up if I say it. Because of yesterday. Imagine I had a chicken feet soup. Oh. Sucks I don't eat seafood, but a lobster tail? Wow. Maybe next on the agenda I should actually find one of those beer bars that I know exist somewhere here. Now we've been eating a lot. Comment, what's your favorite street food? Like, what's the most weird thing you ate on a street somewhere outside of your country? Please comment that, I want to know. Mine is probably a tarantula in Cambodia. Also gave me a really bad stomach the day after. Can also be because I'm very afraid of spiders, so putting one in my mouth is probably not the best thing, but yeah, we did it. Ooh, what is this? Dessert? Waffle? Yeah, God. Obviously, we need to have a Squid Game store. You remember this from the video or the movie series? We want to get killed, do we? Garlic bread. No! It smells good. I'm disappointed by it, but it's good. It's crazy, again, as I said, the amount of skincare. It's like, here we go, here we go, there we go. There, royal skin. God, makes me feel bad. Let's leave for whatever this is. Gentle monster, it's Korea sniper. Oi, shooting range. What? Like actual shooting? Huh. Not sure that's what I want to do, but could be fun. And here you can see it's a bit more touristy, obviously. You have Dr. Martens, you had Adidas over there, and whatever stores we have down here. I think we're getting out of the food area now. It's just going to be more of the, like K-pop. Here we go. More like shopping. ABC Mart. Isn't that the thing in Simpsons? ABC Mart. Starbucks, obviously. Assholes everywhere. Excuse me, what did I find? A cat cafe? I don't think it's open though. Maybe the cats are sleeping, but that's obviously something we need to do one day. Or is it open? Is it open? Or is this where people live? I don't know. Cat cafe. Huh. Okay, night coming to an end here. Everything is closing down, basically. But we need something sweet. I got a sweet tooth going. We need something sweet before we close this down. Oh, that looks so good. Is this something sweet? It is, but it's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for like a pancake or something. Do you have a pancakes anywhere? Pancakes. Nutella crepe. Might do the trick though. Might do the trick, but I think I've seen something. Should be something that is better, like more like actual. Question is if I'm too late on this now, because I'm getting frustrated here because it is closing down. Orange juice now. Give me fucking dessert now, quick. What is this? Ice cream, 10,000. That's $7. No, that's not happening. It's not happening. Has to be something else somewhere. Dumplings. Gyoza. No. I'm smelling sweet. Oh, here we got it. Here we got it. Whatever this is. Yeah, this is happening. Custard. That sounds pretty good. Fish with custard. Hello. Can I have one with custard? 4,000. Okay. That's 15, 28. It's like €2.5. Okay. It's fine. I'm excited. Oh, you squeeze the fish. Thank you. Okay. We're doing it. If I had glasses, I would throw them. Wow. It's like, oh, look at that. I will not sleep tonight because this is so sugary. That is amazing. Wow. It's like buttercream and custard. Winner, winner, chicken dinner now on. Hey, you've seen the night market, one of them in Korea now, in Seoul. It's gonna be more from Korea, so stay tuned. Don't be a stranger. Subscribe, like, share, do all that. And see you next time.